Hi, my name is Phil Juang, and I'm a senior design engineer at Linear Technology. Today I am going to discuss the LTC3600, a rail-to-rail monolithic synchronous step-down converter capable of supplying 1.5 amps of continuous current while operating from a 4-volt to 15-volt input supply range. The LTC3600 unique design architecture represents a bold departure from all other switching converters on the market today. The standard control loop in most buck converters is designed with a voltage reference, followed by a control loop that requires 2 external resistors to attenuate the output voltage signal before closing the loop. By contrast, the LTC3600 uses an internal 50 microamp current reference that allows the user to program a reference voltage using a single resistor. This patented current reference circuit is accurate to within 1% over the full temperature range. The control loop is designed to operate in unity gain configuration such that the I-set pin voltage is equal to the step-down converter's regulated output voltage. Unlike the conventional buck converter, the regulator loop gain and bandwidth do not change with output voltage. The loop response of a conventional buck converter becomes slower as the output voltage is set higher because the voltage attenuation between the output and error amplifier reduce the loop gain, thus necessitating a change in compensation. Contrast this behavior with the LTC3600, which maintains the same loop response regardless of output voltage. This novel approach to switching regulator design results in elegant solutions to several real-world problems that cannot be easily duplicated by other traditional step-down converter designs. One such problem is how to ensure even load sharing when stacking several buck converters in parallel. This circuit diagram illustrates how multiple LTC3600 converters can take advantage of a small amount of copper board trace resistance to use as ballasting. The voltage across the 10 milliohms of trace resistance is used to balance the current of each regulator and ensure that no single converter handles significantly more of the load than the others. The circuit takes advantage of the LTC3600's unity gain control loop to get as much ballasting as possible from the small amount of copper trace on the board. With traditional buck regulator designs, the signal across the trace resistance is attenuated and significantly reduces the effectiveness of ballasting with board copper. Another useful circuit can be created by pairing the LTC3600 with Linear Technology's LT3080 linear regulator to build a high-efficiency, low-noise supply. In this circuit, the output voltage of the LTC3600 uses a single program resistor to create a tracking supply that regulates the buck converter precisely 500 millivolts above the linear regulator's output. The regulator filters the voltage ripple from the switching converter output to create a low-noise supply voltage. This circuit solution uses 2 of Linear Technology's most innovative products to elegantly combine the efficiency of a switching regulator with the low-noise properties of a linear regulator. Despite significant changes in the regulator control design, the LTC3600 has not sacrificed any features common to other Linear Technology monolithic step-down converters. Discontinuous operation may be chosen to maintain high efficiencies at light load currents. An enable pin allows the part to be completely shut off and drop the quiescent current to 0. Soft start may be implemented by adding an external capacitor to the I-set pin. The switching frequency may be programmed between 200 kHz and 4 MHz by an external resistor, or it may be synchronized to an external clock. A power good open drain status output indicates when the converter output is within a set regulation window. In conclusion, the LTC3600 is a full-featured rail-to-rail synchronous step-down regulator that leverages a versatile design topology to create unique circuit solutions for a variety of applications. It accepts inputs between 4 volts and 15 volts and can supply up to 1.5 amps of continuous output current to voltages between 0 and 500 millivolts below Vin. Linear has a large product line of step-down regulators with a range of deliverable output power and input voltage ranges of up to 60 volts. For more information, please visit us at www.linear.com. Thank you.